today in another video with my mom.
Hi.
Okay. And today we're gonna be doing the Dump It Switch Up Slime Challenge. It's a really long name, but this is how it works. It's the Dump It Slime Challenge mixed up with the Switch Up Challenge. So in the background we got glue, foam beads, Tide, which is activator, and we got more. Okay, Tide, glue. Okay, so Tide, foam balls, and glue. Okay, so let's get started. Foam balls, good. And also we're starting off with beads. So my mom has green beads. Guys, can you see? Wait. Mom, you got the green beads? Oh my gosh. How can I show you guys? Okay, yeah, she has green beads. See? She has green beads and I got purple and blue beads. Purple bead. Okay. So I guess I start with foam balls. I'm not gonna really add much. I want mine to be a clear slime. Oh, that was too much foam balls. Okay. Mom, your turn. Mom. Switch up. Oh man. No, she has to wait. Yay, she has the foam balls. Glue. Okay, Mom, I'm getting you some glue. This is a full container of glue because I just bought it. I bought some school supplies today. The cat fell. It's full. Oh, it's heavy. Después la lleno otra vez.
Eso trabajaría.
Okay. Mom, your turn. I'm in the bowl. I'm kicking it. What did you get? Tie. Mom, take it. I'm just gonna add some. I'm gonna add some. Okay. That's enough Tide. This is our slimes so far. Mine is green with beads. And this is Mom's Tide, which I'm gonna get so I can get my beautiful mixture back. My beautiful mixture. Glue. Seriously, I have too much. I got glue. That should be enough glue for me, please. I'm just gonna add a droplet. One droplet. No, it's not one drop, but okay. But nothing got on my shirt. What did you get? Switch up! Look, guys, switch up! My beautiful baby! My turn. Did I get? Yeah. Dump it! No, Mom, give me. I gotta dump it. You're gonna have to give me it back. Wait, where's my spoon? If you get dump it, Mom, then you can give me. Mommy, your turn. Let's place. I got dump it. Help, I'm in the bowl. Help. Okay, I got a spoon. This is my spoon. Please get dump it. Oh man, she got tied. Mom, you're already making slime. You already made slime. That's enough Tide. If you get more, just add 1 drop, because that's enough Tide. Hey, I'm gonna pick with my spoon. I got one. Anything to the other person's slime. I know, right? Tide. I'm just gonna... Then her slime can be really hard and my soft. And it's gonna be so pretty. Foam balls. Mom, it's your lucky day. Let me add some foam balls. Sorry, Mom. I just didn't want to move your hand. So I added too many foam balls. But at least yours won't be sticky. Wait, what? I gotta pick with my spoon. When can I get one with my spoon? Wait, Mom, I got one, but then you pushed it back in. Foam balls. Yes. My foam balls. Come to Mama. Foam balls, Mom. Okay, I'm just getting a drop. You got too much. That's enough. You said you didn't? Okay, here's the ball. Blue. Finally. Finally. Wait. Okay, I got my blue. Oh my gosh, that was too much blue, but okay. Guys, look at how much blue I have. I got too much blue. Mom, your turn. I'm gonna mix mine. Okay, Mom, I got Tide. Oh my gosh, Mom, your slime's gonna be a hard slime. Okay, that's enough. Mom, you got only 2 drops because you got too much. Too much. My turn. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Dump it. No. My marshmallow is slimy. Mine's so marshmallowy. Well, here you go, Mom. Here you go. My marshmallow slime is ruined because Mom took it. Sorry, Mom. Your turn, sorry. Mom, pick yours. Blue. Blue. No. Add a drop. You got too much. I'm going to put the spoons to the end. To the end, unless you get dumped it. Okay, no more. No more. No more. Wait, isn't it my turn? Mom, I want to pick. Stop picking for me. Tide. Finally, I get some Tide. I should add a lot so then it activates. Okay, that's enough. For my marshmallow slime. Mom, you get the last one. I'll read it. This is yours, and yours says, dump it! Give me your slime! Give me your slime, Mom. Okay, there. Now you get to mix it. Now you get to mix it. Oh my gosh. This is so marshmallowy. Yes. And we're going to do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is my slime. It's a really, really stretchy slime. And it's really crunchy, guys. This is Mom, and hers is really kind of sticky, and also it's really crunchy. So if you think I won, comment hashtag.
Échame un chin de jabón, sí.
You can't add more Tide. You can't add any
Está muy
more.
pegajoso, ¿verdad?
It's too sticky. Well, deal with it.
Mira.
Then. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, if you think I won, comment hashtag marshmallow wins. Mom. If you think Mom's slime won, comment, put hashtag gum. Hashtag sticky gum. Mine is really, really crunchy. I don't know if marshmallows are super crunchy like this one, but it sure does feel as soft as a marshmallow. It's really satisfying to poke too. It's really, really fun. Mom, don't
Kelly, no seas tacaña, échame porque me lavo la mano y lo boto.
That's enough Tide. Come on, Mom. I just used this much
¿Y
Tide.
cómo me lo quito?
Just put your hands into the Tide, and then it'll feel like it. Okay, so I'm gonna make my slime bluier by adding some. So here I am, and the slime is blue, but it's not too bluer. So I'm gonna take a pen. Obviously the pen can work like this, but I'm gonna stretch it out and then draw on the slime. It kind of sounds weird, but you can draw on slime, and it'll kind of make it bluer. Oh, mine's bluer.
Toca la verdad.
Oh, Mom's, yours is good now. It is really warm. But look at mine, how much color it has now. And this was my previous one. I know it sounds weird, but you can draw on slime with a pen.
¿Quieres?
Okay, this is Mom's and mine idea. We're gonna mix ours together. So mix mine with hers. And it's gonna be a really gigantic, huge slime with green, purple, and blue in it. And here it is. It's not too much of a show. Just really bad. Not really bad, but kind of good, kind of bad. But my color is taking over because I made a bit more than Mom's now. And it's so squishy. So if you think ours won, comment down below. Liliana the Unicorn is the best person ever.